Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Sachin. How are you? I hope you are doing very well. I have already completed 20 days on my YouTube channel, and today is my day 21. So today's topic is very special for beginner level person. So that's why I tell you, please watch this video until the end because it's a video very helpful to beginner level students. So now today I am going to talk about how to build English sentences. I noticed so many people know English, know grammar very well, but they know how to make long sentences. So this topic, how to build English sentences. So friends, let's take a short sentence. I speak English. How can we make it sentence long? So friends, let's make it long sentence. I speak English because I practice daily. Otherwise you can say I speak English because I speak every day in front of mirror. Otherwise you can say I speak English because I enhance my English. Okay, got it. Otherwise you can say I speak English because I want to learn English. So, and let's take another sentence. I can do it. I can do it. Okay, it's short sentence. So let's make long sentence. I can do it because I know how to do it. Otherwise you can say I can do it because I have confidence in myself. That's it. It is very easy. So friends, so take another sentence. She will come here tomorrow. Okay, she will come here tomorrow. This is short sentence. Let's make it long sentence. She will come here tomorrow in the morning for a marriage function. You got it, friends? So let's take another sentence. More sentence. I jumped into water. Okay, friends. I jumped into water. This is short sentence. So long sentence. I jumped into water because I know how to swim in the water. So friends, I hope you got it. So friends, let's your turn. You try this sentence. I go to market and I go to school. Yeah, you write this sentence in comment box. You try this sentence how to make long. So friends, I hope you got it, and if you like this video, please don't forget subscribe and share with your friends and like my channel. If you want enhance your English, please follow my channel. See you my next video. Bye bye.